Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make aloe vera oil from the comfort of your home. We all know aloe vera has a lot of important benefits to the hair, some of which include it helps to strengthen the hair, it helps to increase blood circulation on the scalp, it helps with hair growth, it helps to reduce dandruff, it helps to condition the hair and add shine to the hair. Well, we have different ways of making aloe vera oil, and today I'll be sharing with you my own way of making aloe vera oil. So the first thing to do after washing your aloe vera is to cut off the tip of the aloe vera and allow the yellow sap, which is called aloe, to just drip off. This yellow sap is known to cause skin irritation and some other serious complication. So you get rid of this by just allowing your aloe vera to stand still on a flat surface or in the sink for about 15 minutes. And as you can see here, I think I have the sap out already. I'm just going to use a knife to scrape the surface and get rid of the rest. Once that is done, I'm going to move on to the next step, which is cutting off the sharp edges of my aloe vera. And after which I'm going to slice my aloe vera into a small portion. Well, some people make use of just gel while making their aloe vera, but I'm going to make use of both the gel and the leaf because I want every of the nutrients of the aloe vera in my oil. And the next step is blending of my aloe vera. I'm going to be doing this with some oil. You can actually use any oil you have. You can use olive oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil. You can even use a mix of oil. You can combine olive oil and coconut oil together, sunflower oil and olive oil. Just make use of any oil you have, and at the end you can also add some essential oils you have. Once my aloe vera is fully blended, I would be transferring into a pot and cooking on medium heat. This can actually take about 30 to 45 minutes depending on when your oil is ready. And how do you know your oil is ready? You know when you can clearly see the separation of the oil from the sediment. And I will be attaching two clips of how your aloe vera oil and the sediment might look like. This actually depends on the state of your aloe vera. If your aloe vera is fresh, you would get a green-like sediment as shown in the first clip, and if your aloe vera is not so fresh, do not be alarmed if you see a slightly brown sediment after your oil is being separated. There is the need to allow your oil to cool before separation. Here I'll be using a porous wick cap. Since I usually use up my oil within the span of 2 months, I don't add preservative, and at this point you can actually add some drops of essential oil if you have any. One thing to note also is your oil might appear cloudy at first, but trust me, it gets clearer as the day goes by. And to apply the oil to the hair, it's best to make use of an oil applicator bottle. And that is all for today's video. Do not forget to subscribe if you are new here. See you some other time.